All right, what are we doing?
Today, we got a good one today. Today, we got to tear this porch off the back of this house. This porch is the guy that's trying to buy it can't get approved for his loan because it's deemed unsafe. And the decking boards are gone. Everything on this is shot. So we're going to take a chainsaw and cut it right down through here, about a foot from the house. We're going to take a skid steer, pick it up, set it off to the side, do a little bit more demo, see what happens.